Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Hayatu Sahaba, first part. Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam invites Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu to Islam. Hazrat Abdullah ibn Mas'ud radhiyallahu anhu narrates that Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam once prayed to Allah, saying, "O Allah, strengthen Islam by means of either Umar bin Khattab or Abu Jahl bin Hisham." Allah accepted the dua in favor of Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu and made him a means of strengthening the foundation of Islam and of destroying the idols. A narration reported by Hazrat Tawban discussing the suffering of Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu's sisters Fatima and her husband Said bin Zaid radhiyallahu anhu shall be quoted in a forthcoming chapter concerning the suffering that the Sahaba radhiyallahu anhu endured for Deen. It is mentioned in the narration that when Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu came to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam after leaving his sister's home, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam held him by his arm and shook him, saying, "What do you want? Why have you come?" Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu replied, "Present to me what it is that you are calling towards." Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said that you testify that there is no worthy of worship but Allah, who is one and has no partner, and that you testify that Muhammad is Allah's servant and Rasul. Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu accepted Islam there and then. Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu then told Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam to leave the house and to perform salah openly in the Masjidul Haram without fearing the kuffar. Hazrat Aslam narrates that Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu once said to them, "Do you want to hear about how I came into the fold of Islam?" When those present begged to be informed, Hazrat Umar radhiyallahu anhu said, "I was one of the people most opposed to Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam. I once came to him as he sat in house near Safa and sat before him. Taking hold of my collar, Rasulullah sallallahu alaihi wasallam said, 'O son of Khattab, accept Islam.' He then prayed for me, saying, 'O Allah, guide him.' I then said, 'I testify that there is no worthy of worship but Allah, and I testify that you are the Rasul of Allah.' The Muslim present there exclaimed, 'Allahu Akbar,' so loudly that it was heard in the street of Makkah. Thank you.